Okay, this is Mark on the 1943 WM20. Just doing a sort of hot test really to make sure that the mag's going to start again. Doing our 20 miler. Well done. This is badged to 30 core. HQ. Oh hello, it's got a bit of a sticky stand, that's it. It's got everything on it for 1943-44, well really 1944, and you can see it's actually got an original VOKES on it. Oh, lovely sound, M20s. Not that I'm biased, of course. It's got the PANNIER equipment, all the right stays, blackout mask, convoy load, no number plates, we've just taken them off for this little bit of this video clip, and we'll put them back on again to do the rest of the journey. They just clip on, but it's as she would have looked in the war. Quite knobbly tyres, big old tyres on this, good on the grass. Feel a little bit strange on the road, takes a bit of getting used to, but they're brand new and they work well. Oh, I've got to have a job getting him in on this one. He's seen me. They are, Corporal. Our little favourites.